Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn daily routine English sentences. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I sit in class. I read books. I write notes. I go outside. I drink water. I do my homework. I wash my hands. I watch TV. I help my mom. I go outside. I play with my friends. I drink milk. I study hard. I sleep at night. I have lunch. I go home. I do exercise. I water plants. I clean my room. I talk to friends. I draw pictures. I listen to music. Good night. I eat fruits. I go to market. I buy things. I ride bicycle. I feed animals. I take rest. I do prayer. I help my teacher. I go for a walk. Happy day. I brush my hair. I wear shoes. I pack my bag. I open the door. I meet my teacher. I answer questions. I eat dinner. I watch stars. I say thank you. Good morning. I wake up early. I drink tea. I go by school bus. I study online. I draw art. I play video games. I eat snacks. I talk on the phone. I go to the park. Good evening. I make my bed. I comb my hair. I tie my shoes. I carry books. I eat ice cream. I jump rope. I wash my face. I visit grandma. I sing songs. I have fun. I open my book. I close the window. I sweep the floor. I feed the fish. I fly a kite. I clap my hands. I cook food. I water flowers. I use computer. Goodbye. I clean the table. I open my bag. I share my toys. I catch the ball. I listen to my teacher. I draw a circle. I wash clothes. I plant a tree. I read a story. I smile happily. I open my umbrella. I wear a hat. I cross the road. I hold a balloon. I open a gift. I eat cake. I dance happily. I wave my hand. Hello. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.